Today, we're going to create something completely new and unique. First, take a look at this channel. It's an animal-themed YouTube channel with 272K subscribers, and it's fully monetized. As you can see, its estimated monthly income is around $2.1K. Many of its videos have gone viral. There are several other successful channels in this niche as well. For example, Wild Eyes is another animal channel. It has uploaded only 80 videos but has already gained 32K subscribers. Its estimated monthly income is around $2.8K, which is very impressive. You can easily create videos just like these. As you can see, many of their videos have received excellent views, some with 339K views, others with 45K views, and many more. Some of their videos have reached millions of views. For example, one video has 3.7 million views, while others have reached 25 million and even 35 million views. Animal videos are performing extremely well on YouTube right now, and you can also create this type of content easily using AI. In this complete course, I'll show you step by step how to create these AI-generated animal videos for free. You'll learn the entire process from start to finish. So, let's get started and learn how to make these amazing AI animal videos. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like First of all, friends, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, copy the first green prompt. Then click on Bro, I want my channel to look like this. After clicking it, paste the prompt there. Next, ChatGPT may ask you for some example channel links. Simply provide 2-3 channel links that match the style of content you want to create. For example, I'll paste one channel link here and another one here. These are the types of channels whose video style I want to follow. As soon as I provide those links, ChatGPT analyzes them and identifies what works best for that niche. It then generates customized prompts based on that analysis. Make sure you follow this exact method. After that, copy prompt 1, the red one, prompt 2, the second red one, and the green prompt below them. Copy all three together and paste them into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically generate a short video story for you. I'm focusing on shorts first, not long-form videos, because shorts usually grow faster, get monetized quicker, and can be created completely for free. After pasting the prompts, you'll see that ChatGPT generates a 150-word story automatically. If you prefer, you can edit the prompt and increase it to 200 words or more. It will then generate scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts, such as Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. The best part is that it creates both image prompts and video prompts in the exact style you want. The results are genuinely impressive. Now the next question is, how do we create the images and videos for free? Let me show you. For image generation, I use Leonardo.ai. It's an excellent platform, and I personally use it myself. Click on Start Now. With Leonardo.ai, you can generate images and videos every day for free. Click on Image, then select the auto model. I recommend this model in almost every video because it consistently produces excellent results. Next, click on Custom and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Since we're creating vertical videos. Now, copy the image prompt and paste it into Leonardo.ai. As soon as you paste the prompt, image generation will begin. You'll notice that the results look amazing. Repeat the same process for each prompt, and all of your images will be generated one by one. The image quality is HD, and the final output looks fantastic. As you can see, all the images are now ready, and the results look incredible. That's how easily you can create high-quality images using Leonardo.ai. Now, let me show you which website I use to create the videos. X to create the videos. The first website I use is popvid.ai. It is an amazing website, and I highly recommend it. When you sign up, it gives you 200 free credits, and each video costs 10 credits, which means you can create 20 videos with a single email account for free. Open the website, click on Create, then select Video. Upload your image and paste the first prompt. As soon as you paste the prompt, the first video will start generating. After a short time, your video will be ready, and you can easily download it. Next, upload another image, paste the second prompt, and generate the next video. Repeat the same process for the third prompt and continue uploading your images and prompts. Your videos will be generated one by one. The quality is actually very good, especially considering it's free. I personally use this website, and you can create up to 20 videos with one email account. As you can see, all of my videos are now ready, and the results are excellent. Now, let's move on to the second website, Flow Labs UK. Many creators use this website, and I use it quite often because it produces great results. Open the website, upload your image, click on Animate, and paste your prompt. Your first video will start generating. Repeat the same process for the second image by uploading it, clicking Animate, and pasting the prompt. When you first sign up, you'll receive 150 free credits. After that, you'll get 50 daily credits, allowing you to create 2 free videos every day. You can also use different email accounts if you want to generate more videos. As you can see, all the videos have been generated successfully, and the quality is outstanding on both websites. Now, I'll show you how to generate an AI voice completely for free. To generate an AI voice, I use unlimited AI text-to-speech. It is an excellent tool, and the voice quality is really impressive. I'll show you how to use it for free. I mention this method in almost every video, but I'll explain it once again. First, open the website. Then, copy the 150-word prompt that you created with ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Next, go to the voice options and select Blaze. After that, choose the storytelling style. Now, click on Generate Voice. Within a few moments, your AI voice will be ready. You can listen to the generated voice and hear how natural and high quality it sounds.
Survival ruled every moment. At sunrise, a young wildebeest cautiously approached a muddy river to drink.
Once you're satisfied with the result, simply download it and use it in your video. Now that our voice, videos, and everything else are ready, it's time to edit the video using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all of your video clips. Then, add your AI voiceover to the timeline. After that, select your clips, go to the animation section, and explore the available effects. There are many great effects you can use to make your video more engaging. I personally use CapCut for all of my editing, including video editing, voiceover editing, and adding visual effects. As you can see, there are plenty of animation effects available. The effect I used is this one, and you can simply click on it and apply it to your clips. It gives the video a much better and more professional look. Once you've added the effects and completed the editing, your video will be ready to export. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another video soon where I'll show you a brand new method for creating amazing AI videos. Thank you for watching.